Good morning, children. Let us take English literature. Please, all of you, open page number 62. In my previous class, my dear children, I read this particular text, and today I am going to give explanation for this particular lesson. So, I request all of you to take page number 62. So, my dear children, in this particular chapter, a funny thing happened. In my first class, I told you that there is a girl who is reading a story, and through her readings, she reaches to a very magic place or wonderland, we can call it. As I told you, we read stories. Some stories give us enjoyment. Some stories are funny, and some stories also give us a particular lesson for our own selves. So, the stories which gives us a lesson for our life, it is a very good story. Then some funny stories are there which give only enjoyment. By reading those stories, we enjoy ourselves. So, in this story, this girl is there and she is reading a story, and let us see what happens to that particular girl. Today, we will explain line by line. Okay. So, my dear children, let us look the first paragraph. A funny thing happened to other afternoon. See, all this incident happened in the afternoon. In the other afternoon is the next day, she was reading the story, and then something happened. Funny thing, something which is unexpected things, funny things, something which is very different type. Okay. So something funny thing happened to this particular girl. Once again, a funny thing happened the other afternoon. Incident took place during the noon time. It was inside the gate of my house near the bushes. So I was outside the gate. This particular girl is standing outside the gate of her own room or of her own house, and she was near the bushes. She was near the bushes. Now, next paragraph you see. The sky had darkened and the wind was blowing. Darkened, it was dark. Maybe there was cloud, dark cloud, darkened. Darkened, it was dark clouds were in the sky, dark clouds. Dark clouds were in the sky. Just before the rainy season, we see dark clouds in the sky. And then we hope that it might rain. So it happens like that. So everywhere it was dark. The sky had darkened and the wind was blowing. There was wind blowing everywhere. So it was a very pleasant weather. Okay, next slide. Lightning tore through the grey clouds and the thunder rumbled. Lightning, there was lightning also. Thunder, lightning. See, lightning due to thunder. Everything happens due to thundering, and we can see the light when when there will be thundering. You can see very clearly the lightning which is coming from the sky. So lightning tore through, T-O-R-E, tore through. suddenly flash. So we can see the light, as I told you, the lightning we can see just before rainy season or rainy time. We can see this particular lightning. When there is thunderstorm, we can witness this lightning. Lightning tore through the grey clouds and thunder rumbled. This the rumble, thunder. Yeah, I have written here. It is the sound of thundering. Sound of thunder. So it was very dark night, day, and then there were lightning. The wind was blowing. So the whole atmosphere was very, very, in a way we can say, cloudy atmosphere. Okay, next slide. Dry leaves started to lift in the wind. Dry leaves were flying here and there due to the wind. Wind was blowing too much. And then what happened? Let us see. I closed my eyes to protect them from the dust. So this particular girl closed her eyes. See, when there will be too much blowing of wind and so on, the dust particles will fly, the papers will fly, the leaves will fly, and it is very dangerous. And therefore, this particular girl wanted to save her own eyes. Therefore, she closed her eyes. See here one meaning protect, protection, protect, save from something. So this particular girl wanted to save her eyes from the dust. Next slide. Just then the wind lifted me up and started spinning me. Spinning, you know, when the small balls if you throw on the floor, it will spin, it will jump, spinning. Spinning. Jumping. So this particular girl was taken by this particular wind, and she was, I think she was feeling that she herself was jumping due to the heavy wind. Just then the wind lifted me up and it started spinning me. So this particular girl was very much afraid because she was blown by this particular heavy wind. So my dear children, slowly we will move. I will wind up my class here now. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much to everyone.